This is going to be a short video to show you how to set up your ePortfolio. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you have a copy of your syllabus open in another window, because that's going to be very helpful doing your ePortfolio. Then go up to the top of the page here and click on ePortfolio, and you'll notice there are several things down on the left hand side that you're going to need to do. The first thing I would suggest that you do is click on this reflections icon. And what's going to happen is you'll see reflections and new reflections. So obviously we're going to start with a new reflection, and I would call that objective 1, because this is going to go along with the objectives on your syllabus. So what you want to do is do objective 1, and the first thing I would do is I would go over to my copy and pull up objective 1, copy that, bring it back over here, paste it in the box, and then I'm going to do save. So I don't want to open Excel, and this is being really annoying, so let's just move that up a little bit. Okay, so we're going to hit save, and that will give you objective number 1. The best thing to do at this point is go back to reflections, and you're going to add a new reflection. This time, mark it as objective 2. And I think you get the idea of what's going to happen here. You're going to go back over and select objective 2, copy it, and paste it into the reflection. And then you're going to save. And you're going to continue going back to reflections and adding a new one until you get all the way down to objective 8. Once you complete all the objectives and getting those set up, you can start with your artifacts, because you'll need to have one of those for each one of your objectives. So if you click on Add Artifact just like you did before, again, you don't want to do this until you're ready to put those in. So if you're going to upload a file, you would click on this, and you're going to look in your computer, choose a file, and it's going to give you all kinds of places that you can take a look. So for fun, I'm just going to put in the motor assignment PDF, open, upload, and there's your file. So you go to next, and here, instead of leaving motor assignment in there, you would want to put objective 1, or whatever objective you were working with. So that's how that's going to go. Then when you're all finished, you can actually add more if you want to, or you can go back to your Artifacts tab and add more. When you're all finished with those things, you're going to go to Collections, add a new collection, and here you're going to put just name it that it's your education portfolio, do save, and then you can go back now and you can start doing things like looking at my collections, and here is the 145 portfolio. And to do this, what you can do is, now I try to remember here because I'm forgetting. You want to add a reflection. This is another way that you can go about doing this, and not the preferred way. Let's do edit collection. Oh, here we go. Add to the collection, that's where you want to go. So you can do artifacts, presentations, or reflections. Then you can say, if this is objective 1, select objective 1, and you're going to add it, and then save it. So when you go back to my collections, then you're going to see that here is your Education 145 portfolio, and there's your objective 1. And then you should start to fill that in with your artifact for objective 1, your objective 2, your artifact for objective 2. So that's basically how that's going to go until you get all of those things in there. Now, the biggest thing that you want to remember. Okay, let's take another look at this sharing option. I did figure out how to do this, and let's delete me from list at the moment. Okay, so what we're going to do is add users and groups. Type in my name. Select. We're going to come down here. There's selected users. Okay, so here's what we have. We want to make sure we do add. Okay, and then do done and send invite. Selected users is there. You can put a message in here. You can copy yourself on it and click send. And then I will be added so that I can actually view your portfolio. So if you have any questions, email me, let me know.